happens, this is what I always say to people. If you are comfortable in doing this, do so. If you're not comfortable, get out of the house quickly and call 911.
For a fire, heat, oxygen, and fuel. This is known as a fire triangle. If any one of these three will be exploring the science of fire. Think about all the helpful ways that we use fire, like cooking food and keeping warm. Scientists, engineers, and other people are using their growing knowledge to create ways to help us enjoy the benefits of fire.